Most people invest in SIPs, that is systematic investment plan. But here's the truth. There are smarter ways to grow your wealth faster. Just by simply tweaking your SIP strategy, you could double or triple your returns without increasing your risk. In this video, I will show you the difference between regular SIP, step-up SIP and dip investing. Plus, I'll give you a live demo so that you can see how it works in the real time. For SIP, you probably set up a fixed monthly amount to invest every month, right? Well, that's actually a very good discipline. But here's the problem. Your salary grows, right? But your SIP doesn't. Or when the market crashes, instead of investing more, we panic and sell, right? This is exactly why most investors miss out on real power of compounding. We should stop treating SIPs as one size fits for all purpose. Instead, think of them as flexible tools that can be adjusted based on our income, growth, as well as market conditions. The moment we understand that SIPs can be dynamic, we don't have to stick to only one strategy and we can tweak as per our need. And while doing this, we are already ahead of the 90% of the investors. Small tweaks in our SIP strategy can make a massive difference to our final wealth. We have regular SIP where we invest a fixed amount every month consistently, and it is perfect for disciplined long-term wealth creation. Okay. Then we have step up SIP. That means we will be increasing our SIP amount annually to match income growth, which will accelerate our wealth creation and beat inflation effectively. Then we have dip investing, where we will be investing additional amounts when Nifty Bs or say for example any wherever we are investing falls. So this basically means that we will be buying more during market conditions. That will give us enhanced returns. Okay, so these are three of the investment strategy which we will be seeing today. So this is the calculator which I have created only for Nifty Bs, right? I have created the data for more than 20 years of the Nifty Bs, and then I have created this three calculator: regular SIP, step up SIP and dip investing. So let's go through them one by one. So this is the regular SIP. This we all know, right? We will start investing every month some fixed amount. Okay, so let's change the end date to 25th September yesterday's. Okay, so say for example if I have started on 2010, okay, and I'm investing 10,000 per month and my SIP date is first, the investment duration is 16 years, so I have invested 18.9 lakhs. The current value is 57 lakhs. The total returns is 38.1 lakhs. Okay, and the XIRR is 7.31%. Okay, that is annual returns. We are not calculating the CAGR. This is XIRR. Okay, so this is the regular SIP calculator which we have seen everywhere. Now let's go to the step up SIP. That means again I'll change the end date to yesterday's. Okay, so again the start date and end date will be same, the monthly SIP will be same, SIP date will be same, but there will be an annual increase of 10% which we can change. That means every year we will increase our monthly SIP by 10%. Okay, so that means first year it will be 10k, second year it will be 11k, then 12.1k, like this. Okay, so now in this we have invested 41.9 lakhs and the current value is 1 CR. The XIRR is less. Why? Because we are increasing the investment. So in the last few years the investment would be more, and that's why the XIRR is less, but when you calculate the CAGR it is more. So if we see the step up versus regular SIP comparison, we are creating 45 lakhs additional wealth and it has 78.9% better performance than the normal regular SIP, and we have done only 23 lakhs additional investment. So if you see the differences, by the end of this time the investment amount is 41 lakh, right? 41.9, and the portfolio value is above 1 CR. But if we would have invested in the regular SIP, we would have got only 60 lakhs. Okay. So if you see this, we would have got 60 lakhs. And this is the recent transactions, this is the step up SIP. So in this month we would have done 41,000 per month. Okay. Then come dip investing. So what we are saying is that the start date and date will be same. So let me change again. Just give it some time because it's calculating, right? So we have to give some time for it to calculate. Okay. Now the look back period is 30 days. The minimum is 7. So that means we will compare the current price with the highest price in the last 30 days. And what is the dip investment rules? That once it falls 5%, like say for example today is 100 rupees, and last 30 days we have seen that it has fallen by 5%. So we will invest 5,000. Similarly, if it has fallen by 10%, we will invest 10,000. If it has fallen 20%, then we will invest 20,000. Like this, if we do, that means we would have invested 48 lakhs and our current value is 1.7 CR and the total returns is 1.2 CR. And the XIRR, if you see, this is 8.23% XIRR, which is more than regular as well as step up SIP. The dip opportunities captured is 503. That means we have invested 29.1 lakhs total dip investments. That is 60% of the total investments when the market has fallen. Additional wealth, we have created 1.1 CR of additional wealth, and as well as the XIRR improvement is 0.92%. And we just have to do the 29.1 lakhs of extra investment. Whenever the market is dipping, we are increasing our investments. That's how you will see a massive growth in our portfolio. So as you can see that in April, the market has fallen from the last 30 days has fallen by 5.2%. So we have done an additional 5k investment. So this is how we are calculating the dip investment. You can see all the recent transactions. We are not showing all, we are just showing 50, but there are 692 transactions. And then there are quick presets which you can see. If you don't want to do 5, 10, 20, you want to do 5, 10, 15. So you can change accordingly. And then it will calculate and will give you the returns. Okay. If you want to invest aggressively, right? Multiple levels. Again, this is how it will calculate. Okay. So now, sir, for example, if I delete all this, okay, I will just want to see if it has fallen only 5%, I will invest 5,000. So this is how it will calculate and give you. So you can play around this calculator to see how it can help you to create that wealth. Okay. I'll share this link in the description. So let's be real, right? So these strategies, it's great. Like we have regular SIP, step up SIP and dip investment. But the main problem is sticking to them. So most investors starts with the regular SIP, but they forget to increase their SIP as their salary grows. This is where the step up SIP comes into picture. Most investors panic also during market dips. This is where the dip investment comes into picture, or they simply stop the investments when the market dips. But when we combine all these things, this is where the real wealth gets created. Discipline and consistency are harder than they look, but that's why most people never unlock the true power of SIPs. So most people stick to this regular SIP and wonder why their wealth doesn't grow fast enough. But by combining this regular SIP with step up SIP or regular SIP, step up SIP and dip investment, we can create an opportunity or create a powerful system which will work with us. Our salary is increasing as well as our wealth will also increase. So we have to remember one thing. SIP isn't just about investment. It's about building habits. We are creating a habit, right? Fixed monthly investments when we are doing, it's a habit. And also the consistency. But along with that, if we have to create that wealth, we have to go with these strategies. Okay. We have to start small and step up as we grow, and never fear the dip investment. This is what these three strategies is all about. So this is what this video is all about. So if you would have liked this video, please comment that what more calculator which we can create, as well as go through this calculators and see if we can enhance this in any way. Your comment encourages us. So please comment, like the video, as well as share with your friends and families. Thank you.